Hello developers. Chat GPT making people crazy as well as scary because it can do almost everything which we humans can do 24/7, 365 days without any pause. And people are thinking that they might lose their jobs. But let me tell you why you should not worry much about Chat GPT taking your job. See, ChatGPT can do most of the repetitive work, but not truly the creative work. Most of our time is consumed in doing the work which is not adding too much of value, neither that is too creative. For example, finding keywords, catchy titles, YouTube script ideas, basic codes, understanding basic concepts, understanding the code, and blah blah blah. Now we only need to worry about adding creativity or doing creative work and put ChatGPT in doing the repetitive work. Learn how to use ChatGPT smartly, automate your repetitive work, concentrate on creative work. That's it for today. Until next time, have a good day and don't forget to subscribe.